Hey guys, let me show you how I transformed my wall, which is looking like this, to this. In this video it's gonna be from scratch, so without any further ado, let's begin. So the first step is choosing the pictures which you want to be on your wall. So the pictures which you are choosing is completely your own preference. Make sure the pictures are bright and giving you a good vibration to the room. So once you have selected the pictures, you have to download it to your gallery. You can choose n number of pictures, it is completely up to you. You can use any app for this. You can even browse it from Google. I'm using Pinterest. So once you have selected all the pictures, take a color xerox of it, and before that you just arrange it in a Word document, and then better take the printout. It will help in selecting the right sizes for each images. And also make sure the paper which is used for the printout is quite thick, so that the paper won't tear out very quickly, and also it gives a very neat look. One short tip, if you are a lazy person, then better give these xerox to the shopkeeper and ask him to cut out. It would also be a time saver for you. So since this video is from making it from scratch, I am taking all these printouts. If you like it in a easy way, then you can shop these pics which is already pre-cut, which is available in many apps like Meesho, and you can just buy it and paste it on your walls. The only drawback in buying these online is you can't customize the pictures. So if you want it the way you like, then take some time and do it like this. It is so calming and worth the process. Between these printouts costed me around rupees 60, which is quite affordable, I guess. I'm using white adhesive tape to paste it on the walls. A small precaution that don't use double-sided tapes, because that may cause damage to your walls, so kindly avoid that. So take a small portion of the tape and just roll it and paste it on the four sides, so that it will be fixed firmly to the walls. So this is a quite time taking process, so just have a help for this. Don't struggle like me individually, because it's so annoying. I don't know why. Maybe you can play some music in the background and just do your work. So instead of pasting the pictures directly on the wall, just arrange your pictures roughly and then have a pic of that. Having that as a reference, paste it on the walls. It will save a lot of time and avoid making any mistakes. So here is the final output. Absolutely loving this. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you all for watching this video till here. If you are new here, then please subscribe and like this video. Thank you.